Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram call problem, leave call problem. Let's see how to solve this problem following all steps. Do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, tap on Instagram, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go to Google Play Store, search Instagram app, update Instagram app, go to Instagram app, tap on message option, call problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.